Welcome to the concept of Python programming. Python is a high-level programming language known for its readability and versatility. In this concept, we'll explore the importance of Python and cover some key concepts that will help you get started. So let's jump right in. Python importance. Python's importance lies in its unique features that make it a popular choice among developers. Let's quickly go through them. 1. Easy. Python's readable code is perfect for newcomers. 2. Expressive. Complex ideas can be communicated concisely. 3. Open. Collaboration thrives due to its open-source nature. 4. High-level. Focus on solving problems, not low-level details. 5. Portable. It runs seamlessly across platforms. 6. Object-oriented. Facilitates reusable code. 7. Extensible. Integration with other languages enhances capabilities. 8. Embeddable. Features can be added to apps in different languages. 9. Interpreted. Line-by-line execution speeds up development. 10. Standard library. Built-in modules save time. 11. GUI. Tools for user-friendly desktop apps are available. 12. Dynamically typed. Variable types adapt during runtime. Python concepts. Now that we understand Python's importance, let's explore some fundamental concepts that form the building blocks of Python programming. String, a sequence of characters. Even number, a number divisible by 2 without remainder. While loop, repeats code while a condition is true. Set, a collection of unique elements. Union, combines elements of sets, removing duplicates. Difference, elements in one set but not the other. Symmetric difference, elements in either set, not both. Intersection, common elements in 2 sets. Tuple, an ordered, immutable element collection. List, an ordered, mutable element collection. Variable, a named reference to a value. Operators, symbols for variable operations. If statement, executes code if the condition is true. Tokens, basic units in Python code. Keywords, reserved words with specific meanings. Palindrome, a word or phrase that reads the same backward and forward. Dictionary, a key-value pair collection. Module, a file with Python definitions. Package, a group of related modules. NumPy, a library for numerical operations and arrays. Pandas, a library for data manipulation. Error, an issue-halting code execution. Syntax error, incorrect code structure. Formatted output, creating strings with variables. Types of lists, lists that can hold various data types. Array, a collection of same-type items. Loop control, for and while loops. Flow control, if, else, elif statements. 5 Python features: readability, simplicity, versatility, library, community. And there you have it. A quick interactive overview of the importance of Python and some key concepts that are essential to grasp. Python's readability and versatility make it a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. So go ahead and start your Python journey today. For full informative technology fit contents, be with
Om Tejas.